Let's take a couple of minutes here to talk about a topic that is very upsetting to me, and open that you should be aware of it. You know, there's a 95+% chance that the vitamins you're currently taking are harming you. And I say that as clear as possible for you to understand, because more than 95% of that vitamins that are sold today are synthetic. They're manufactured with chemicals in lab. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh no, I take a really good one, and my doctor even suggested I take it. Well, let me just stop you there, because if your doctor suggested you take it, unless that doctor's is some sort of natural practitioner, there's a very high probability that is a synthetic vitamin. Now even your top brand vitamin, sold at the grocery store, your local supplement store, pharmacy store, even brand name with natural made, all sells synthetic vitamins. You can go on their website and check. It all are synthetic chemical-based supplement. You will not find any natural ingredients in. Our products, Naturez Ayurveda, inspired by nature, made up of 100% natural ingredients, as we know our body made up of nature, and human living because of nature's supply, air, water, crop, food. So nature has solution for our body problem. Naturez Ayurveda is the single best natural joint support and anti-inflammation supplement available. The quality, combination, and purity of the ingredients in the product's capsules are directly correlated to the power of the results, reaching the goal of getting your body into a state of more natural existence without the excess inflammation. Made from 100% herbal plants, no side effect. Our products are inspired by nature for any type of joint pain, including arthritis pain. By taking this supplement once a day up to 3 months, you will see difference in your joints and pain. Use real natural supplement to help your body. Do not go with synthetic chemicals which always make reaction with body's natural chemicals. We launch product one at a time with 100% solution for a problem.